We face tons of challenges with insurance companies. A lot of them have to do with the insurance company not following their own policy language and denying claims unnecessarily for reasons that really don't exist, or sometimes they'll underpay claims for reasons they don't exist. One recent example that I have of that would be a roof leak. The insurance company agreed to pay $680 to the insured. They had a $1,000 deductible and they had received nothing. One of the problems was there was interior damage that they denied. The interior damage was a result of the roof leak. It caused stains in the ceiling, which is something very common that we see. And in this particular example, they referred to it as being condensation from the AC vent. And that does happen, but that's also a common reason why they don't like to pay for stains. They're looking for some other reason to not pay that for those stains. And usually you see condensation from an AC vent is going to be right where the AC vent is. This particular stain was nowhere near the AC vent. In fact, it was slightly around the corner in the same room and not in direct line with the AC vent. There was another room that had a much larger stain that also was not near an AC vent. And those were the two rooms that suffered interior damage. The exterior of the house suffered damage from high winds, which was documented through weather reports. And now we're looking at getting about $44,000 for that claim instead of the $680 that they were originally offering for it. That's just one example of what I call nonsense that the insurance companies will come back with. And what happens is most people don't know any better and they just accept that. They're like, this is all I'm getting, or they don't know how to get more money. And the insurance companies know this. The insurance companies actually have statistics that tell them how many people are just going to roll over and take the lower amount versus how many people are going to fight it, and how long are they going to fight it for before they give up. So they try to drag the claim out even further in hopes that the homeowner is going to get tired of dealing with them and they'll eventually take a lesser amount. So there's just a few examples. I could probably ramble on forever with them, but.